Good morning. My name is Malagari Tirupati. Rule number 17951A0398. Branch Mechanical. Subject Automobile Engineering. And today my topic is hydrogen fuel cells. In further slides, I am going to explain about this particular topic. What are the hydrogen fuel cells? What is mean by that, and what are the uses of it, and what are the advantages of it? Let us see uh, what is mean by a fuel cell. Here, let us discuss what is mean by a fuel cell. A fuel cell is an electrochemical cell that converts the chemical energy of fuel and an oxidizing agent into electricity through a pair of reactions. Fuel cells are different from most batteries in requiring a continuous source of fuel and oxygen, usually from air, to sustain the chemical reaction, whereas in battery the chemical energy usually comes from metals and other ions or oxides that are commonly already present in the battery. Except in flow batteries, fuel cells are produce electricity continuously for as long as fuel and oxygen are supplied. Means a fuel cell is a mm, by using a fuel cell we can produce a electricity continuously as long as it is required by mixing the fuel and oxygen. Means at last the conclusion by a fuel cell is that a fuel cell is an electrochemical cell which will converts chemical energy of a fuel into an oxidizing agent of an electricity. Means fuel cell is that it converts chemical energy into electricity. What is mean by the hydrogen fuel cell? Here we are going to discuss. In previous slide we discussed what is mean by a fuel cell. What is mean by a fuel cell? A fuel cell is that which will converts chemical energy into the electricity. Here we are going to discuss about hydrogen fuel cell. Although less efficient than electric batteries, today hydrogen fuel cells compare favorably with internal combustion engine technology, which converts fuel into kinetic energy at roughly 25% efficiency. A fuel cell, by contrast, can mix hydrogen with air to produce electricity up to 60% efficiency. In combustion engines, hydrogen fuel cells are used. A fuel cell, by constant, can mix hydrogen with air to produce electricity up to 60% efficiency. How does the hydrogen fuel cell will works? A fuel cell such as hydrogen is fed to an anode and air is feed to the anode. In hydrogen fuel cell, a catalyst at the anode separates hydrogen molecules into protons and electrons, which take different paths to cathode. The electrons go through an external circuit, creating a flow of electricity. What is hydrogen fuel cell? A hydrogen fuel cell is an electrochemical power generator that combines hydrogen and oxygen to produce electricity. with water and heat as byproducts. Simply put, hydrogen fuel cells from energy that can be used to power anything from commercial vehicles to drones. A hydrogen fuel cell is an electrochemical power generator that combines hydrogen and oxygen to produce electricity. Hydrogen fuel cell states what is the meaning of the meaning of hydrogen fuel cell is that combines hydrogen and oxygen to produce electricity. What are hydrogen fuel cell used for? What is the use of hydrogen fuel cells? Small fuel cells can power laptop computers and even cell phones and military applications. The small quantity of hydrogen fuel cells are used for charging the or charging the laptop computers and even few cell phones, all cell phones. Large fuel cells can provide electricity for backup or emergency power in buildings and supply electricity in places that are not connected to electric grids. Means the we can say large fuel cells is that um, it is a generator. Means by using fuel we will generate electricity, so that we can say it is a kind of a generator. Means small cells are used to charge laptop computers and even cell phones. Large cells are used to mm, providing an electricity for buildings and other electricity purpose wherever electricity is required. Are hydrogen fuel cells is dangerous? Is there any disadvantages or else any harmfulness from the hydrogen fuel cells? We are going to discuss about that in this particular slide. In enclosed locations with normal temperatures, split liquid hydrogen will create enormous gas pressures, triggering apart vessels without safety valves. The two prime dangers from fuel cell and hydrogen powered vehicles are the danger of electrical shock and flammability of fuel. Are hydrogen fuel cells are better than batteries? In this particular slide, we are going to compare uh, hydrogen fuel cells with the battery. Simply, batteries are far more efficient than fuel cell. According to VW, the purpose of converting hydrogen into the electricity with a fuel cell is also inherently insufficient. According to the study of remaining potential energy, an additional 55% is lost in that process. Thus, studies said. How the hydrogen is produced. The carbon monoxide is reacted with water to produce additional hydrogen. This method is cheapest, most efficient and most common. Natural gas reforming using steam accounts for majority of hydrogen produced. The hydrogen is produced by mixing the carbon monoxide with water. The hydrogen is produced. Thank you.